Welcome back. Joining us today is Tom Winslow of Goldfinch Winslow, and today we're talking about wrongful death lawsuits.
Wrongful death lawsuits.
So tell us what falls under that.
So wrongful death is one of those things, ladies and gentlemen, that you never really think of. You think about lawsuits, civil litigation, but obviously wrongful death involves when someone passes away. Unfortunately, it can happen in a car accident, a trucking accident. It can happen whenever there's a situation of medical malpractice and a situation occurs where someone's suffering during their life, right? Something occurs and they're suffering, but they end up dying. And so the estate, people would have the right to bring a claim for that wrongful death of their loved one. Maybe it's a spouse, maybe it's a child. And something that really needs to be understood and considered because it's not a typical lawsuit because you're involving how did that person pass away.
Right. Yeah, it's one of those things too. It's probably that sort of gray area where the common person like myself may think there might be some wrongfulness here, but maybe there isn't. That's why they talk to you guys. You know what falls under that statute.
Absolutely. You know, one of the big things that we actually just had come into our office the other day was a NCAA football player that recently just passed away due to CTE. Right, and it's one of the things we're researching right now to see whether or not we think there might be some kind of wrongful death situation involved in that regarding that football playing and the medical care that was involved in that situation. And so that's what we look at, not just what happened while they're alive, but what caused that passing. And that's something that people need to be aware of.
Yeah, it's a hard situation to be in. You guys can make that easier. So if someone wants to get in contact with you, how do they do that?
Just give us a call, 843-357-9301. Look us up on the website, goldfinchwinslow.com.